Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will show you about my article, and the title is A Comparison Study on People Perception on Ciwok and PPJ and Their Motivation to Revisit. Next. And this is the agenda that I will present now. The first one is about the research background, the research question, the aims of the research, the benefits of the research, assumptions, research methodology, theoretical background, instrument, and research schedule. Next. The first one is about the research background. Number one is Ciwok and PPJ is the object of my research. The second is people perception. Many people often come regularly to Ciwok and PPJ malls. And the third is about motivation to revisit. Although many people have visited Ciwok and PPJ, there are still some people who feel unfamiliar with the Ciwok and PPJ. And then the expectation. Through this research, the reader is expected to know more about the differences and exist between Ciwok and PPJ Mall. The fifth is consequences. If this research is not done, the reader will not know the comparison that exists between the Ciwok and PPJ Mall. And then the last is previous research. The previous research I use is the title is Pengaruh Persepsi Wisatawan pada Daya Tarik Objek Wisata dan Motivasi Wisatawan Terhadap Minat Kunjung Ulang by Natalia Weni. And the second is analisis perbandingan faktor-faktor yang mempengaruhi minat berkunjung ulang wisatawan pada wisata Pantai Marina dan Pantai Tanjung Bira by Jusmawati. Next. And this is about the research question. I have two research questions. The first one is, what are the differences and similarities of people perception toward Ciwok and PPJ malls? And the second is, what are people motivation to revisit Ciwok and PPJ mall? Next. The aims of the research. I have two aims. The first one is to describe the differences and similarities of people perception toward Ciwok and PPJ malls. The second is to find out people motivation to revisit Ciwok and PPJ malls. Next. And then next slide is the benefits of the research. From the theoretical benefit is the results of this research are expected to be able to increase and broaden the study of tourism marketing science, especially regarding to motivating factors and the people perception about Ciwok and PPJ malls. And then the practically benefit is the result of this study are expected to provide input to the manager of the Ciwok and PPJ malls regarding motivating factors and people perception about the interest to revisit Ciwok and PPJ malls, so that it can be information for related parties in an effort to increase the number of tourist visits at the Ciwok and PPJ malls. Next. About the assumption, I have two assumptions here. The first one is the differences between Ciwok and PPJ malls are PPJ has more shops than Ciwok and PPJ is wider than Ciwok. The similarities between Ciwok and PPJ malls are both located in the city center and have an open space or feel of nature. And the last is people have their own motivational factors for their interest to revisit Ciwok and PPJ malls, such as closer to where they live or their favorite shop located in one of these malls. Next. The research methodology, there are 5 points here. The first one is research method. The type of research will be used is case study and comparative method. And then the second is data search. There are primary search is Ciwok and PPJ Malls visitor, and secondary search is Ciwok and PPJ Malls. And then technique of collecting data used in this research is distribution of questionnaire, browsing internet, and then observation. And then technique of analyzing data. In this research, the technique of analyzing data is deductive and inductive technique. And then the last is procedure of the research. The steps in this research are identifying, that means identifying the problem occurring in this research, and then distributing questionnaire. This means distributing questionnaires to the research subject, and then analyzing the data that has been collected, and then deducing. This means summarizing all data collected that produce research result. Next. This is a theoretical background. I have 5 points here. The first one is I use Google, and the second is the title of the book is Metode Penelitian Studi Kasus by Hadari Nawadi. The third is Teori Persepsi dan Motivasi by Prabowo Erik. And then Perbedaan Motivasi Intrinsik dan Ekstrinsik by Naya Akyasa. And the last is Pengaruh Persepsi Wisatawan pada Daya Tarik Objek Wisata dan Motivasi Wisatawan terhadap Minat Kunjung Ulang, skripsi by Natalia Weni. Next. Okay, this is about my questionnaire. You can see at the screen. Yeah. Next. Yeah, the last I have research schedule where I do my research. You can see in the screen again. Next. Okay, guys, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.